gentlemen, hang on. We've completed 100 years of Croda's global legacy. Yes or no? So we're going to take the counts now, okay? We'll do it all the way from 100. No, you don't want to do it from 100? I'll do it from 100 with you. Okay, let's do this. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Now, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen! Ladies and gentlemen, I think that deserves a standing ovation, right? Come on. This is not just a ribbon cutting, but this is a moment that we're going to cherish all through our lives. This is a moment that we've all waited for. This is a moment where we've all dreamt for, and this is now a reality. Come on, a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you all to remain standing as I'm going to escort Mr. Steve to please join me to unveil the plaque.